Hey, this is Art Thompson, mortgage lender, real estate and lifestyle expert. As you can see outside my house, just finished getting my little walk in and wanted to talk to you guys today a little bit about FHA loans. So I'm asked on a daily basis, is it still possible to buy a home with a credit score under 620? And although FHA rules and guidelines have not changed, and you technically can still get a house with an under 620 credit score, it's getting just a little bit harder because the banks and lenders have tightened up on credit scores. What's happening right now today is the investors of mortgage-backed securities are getting a little bit shaky and scary in the market right now because they don't know what's going to happen with the whole coronavirus situation. Obviously, there's a ton of people that could foreclose on their homes, a ton of people that could not be able to make that payment. And so the market is getting a little shaky and scary, and people are saying, wait a minute, do we really want to lend to these people with credit scores under 620? I've even heard of some banks even going to 640 and 680 at this point. And so what's happening, you're getting a lot of banks that are saying, hey, we need to tighten up to protect our investors. We want to make sure our investors are getting the best deals possible. So they are tightening up on those minimum FICO scores. So does that mean that it's a terrible time to buy? I'm not going to say it's a terrible time to buy. What you are seeing is that banks are tightening on those credit score requirements. And what you may find out is even though we're still in a time where we're experiencing 50-year low interest rates, you may find out that some of those low interest rates that are in the threes may have higher costs to be able to get that interest rate. So what that means is they may say your interest rate is a 3.5 or 3.25, whatever the case is, but it may have a 1% cost or so just to be able to get that rate because of the instability in the marketplace. So I would tell anybody that's still looking to purchase at this moment, it's still a great time to buy. The thing is the market does have some instability, but overall, it's still a great time to be able to purchase your home. I mean, it's the best thing you can do for you and your family. If you are experiencing a situation where your credit score is below that 620 mark or 640 mark, I'm probably going to be releasing another video with some tips and things that you can do to help get your credit score in place to be able to be in a better situation where you're not paying too many high points and costs just to be able to buy your home. At the end of the day, it is still a great time to be able to purchase, and we want everybody to be able to do it, but you have to be able to do it responsibly. So I'll definitely be putting another video out there sometime just to be able to give you tips of what you can do to be able to purchase a home. Once again, this is Art Thompson, your mortgage real estate lifestyle expert. Just wanted to drop a little knowledge on what's happening with FHA loans and credit scores right now. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll definitely be releasing information to help you and your family be able to achieve that home ownership. Have a good one.